Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to draw line. To draw line you can click sketch tools and I will choose a top line. Now you can see to create lines you can choose this line icon, you can click, and for the first point I will click in origin. Now you can move to drag here, click, and you can set for dimensions like 50, press enter. I will click again at this point. Press for the length, I will set into 60, press enter. To make the angle, you can click like at this point. Now in here we set into 50, press enter. And then I will connect into here. After it, if you want to specify for the angles, you can use the dimension tools. You can click at this icon dimension. And I will click this two line object. And you can click. Now you can set the dimensions like 60 and press enter again. Okay, to use line tools, you can click these line icons and you can draw like this. You can draw the lines. And if you want to set for the dimension, you can use this dimension tools like this. You can set to 50, and in here I will set into 30, and for the other lines dimension. If you're done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for a basic Onshape tutorial, how to draw line. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.